Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. This is the Forex analysis for Euro versus GBP. I have told you guys if it will break this line, okay guys, then only you can go for short. So I have here only have shorted. My SL will be the somewhere at this red strip what I have drawn here, and this green candle is my buying. Okay guys, what happened is that I am very much confident about it, but what happened, this is reversible. Okay guys, at this point only I have known that my SL will be hit. Then also I have not closed my position and take my SL. Why is that? I have seen that it will be reversible from here, because you can see here this is the big green candle. That's why I am seeing that here once again buyer has been dominated. Here only at this position only you can see here only buyer has came within three candle. You can see that how big momentum has been, it has been done. So I know that this will gonna hit my SL. Then also I have continued this trade because of I know that if I will cut my trade, then what happened, it goes up till here and came downside once again and take all the target. It will reach all the target. So what we have done analysis, we have to stick with that. I am stick with my analysis only. So what happened, it came and taken my SL. So let it be my only small SL will be I have triggered from here. So nothing will happen. You have to stick with your analysis guys. So you can see here guys, Euro versus GBP, it is continuously consolidate. So this time it will came and it will definitely gonna break out, and you can achieve the bigger target too guys. So you have to see that, you have to track down if this will break. Your SL will be the very small, and you have to take it. Your first target will be this and all these target. Okay guys, you can get a very big opportunity, so you can grab it or track down it. You can get surely a nicer trade guys. Thank you guys, hope you like this video.